Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
An e-bike that can replace a second car? Yuba Bikes has been building cargo bikes for years, and the latest e-bike versions are solid and strong and come with lots of versatility. They aren't small and light, and you'll need a specialized bike carrier if you're planning to transport them, at least many models. But some, like the Spicy Curry, can transport 2 adults or an adult and 2 children and still have room to carry a couple of bags of groceries. President Pat Cunnane.
So we have seats for children. We also have pads for slightly older children. There are, boards where the kids can rest their feet.
The Yuba Bikes have pedal assist motors, so you'll still get the health benefits, and the accessory range offered by Yuba is great. In the right environment, you really can ditch that second car in favor of a bike.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.